Binagoongang Baboy. A main dish from Philippines. Serves 2. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Marinate the pork cubes and the other ingredients overnight in the refrigerator. Step 2. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large frying pan. Sautee the bay leaves to bring out their fragrance. Step 3. Add the marinated pork along with the marinade. Cook over a medium heat until the pork is nice and tender, 30 to 45 minutes. Check the frying pan every so often to make sure the sauce isn't drying out. Step 4. If it is, to lessen the smell of the heat and add 1/3 cup of water in the frying pan. Also, burning a piece of bread helps, the carbon absorbs the smell. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.